Welcome to the premiere of Simply Cooking with Donna. We're going to bring to your brunch table a delicious, scrumptious, buttery lobster roll that is sure to wow both your family and your friends. So let's get started. What I have here is a pair of crackers. And so we're going to get this lobster. It's already prepared. We're going to go ahead and get it out of the shell. And one of the key things that makes it easier, if you crack your lobster at its joints, you'll be able to get the lobster out. And you can use whatever you have in your home. It can be a fork, it can be, you don't need anything really heavy, but just to crack it. And so here we have it. That's from that claw. And then there's a little more here. I'm going to go ahead and break it at the joint. Like I said, you can use whatever utensils you have, and right now I'm just using my bare hands. Alrighty, okay, so now that we've melted our butter, what we now have is clarified butter. We strained it, and the reason again why we want clarified butter is because it gives us a much creamier, smoother taste of our butter. And all it does is remove the extra water from our butter and the fat products. So again, it gives us a much tastier, creamier, smoother butter. And it's really simple to do, and it's just called clarification of your butter. And it also allows you to store your butter for a very long time. So we're going to start with a tablespoon of garlic. And you can use a little more or a little less depending on what you like. We already have our clarified butter here, which we've already showed you how to make. And so you can make that. And we're going to add that. This is a half a stick of butter. We're going to also use some fresh parsley. And this has been chopped a little. I'll just break it up a little more. Alrighty, and we're going to go to the stove. We're going to let this just simmer just on very, very low because you don't want to burn your butter, nor do you want to burn your garlic. So we'll just let this simmer a little bit, and we'll be back to plate that delicious, scrumptious lobster roll for you. See you soon. These rolls are buttered with our garlic, butter, and parsley. And what we have here are our rolls, and they've been brushed down in our garlic butter sauce with parsley. And we toasted them in the oven for about 7 to 8 minutes. You don't want them to get over toasted because they'll become hard. So we're going to go ahead and plate our lobster roll. We're going to utilize one of these. It smells so good in here. I wish you were here. It really smells delicious. I'm going to go ahead and grab our lobster, which is also in our garlic, in our clarified butter, and our garlic. And again, if you guys could smell this kitchen, it smells amazing. This lobster looks so good. So we're going to just hold this. And this has been warmed, so be mindful of that. Wow. Yummy. Just put a little, we're going to just drizzle this with a little delicious clarified butter. We're going to drizzle it. And then we're going to sprinkle just a little more. And we'll just add just a little parsley for color. How's that, guys? Alrighty, well, we thank you for tuning in to our premiere episode of Simply Cooking with Donna, and we hope that you will continue to join us. We look forward to sharing all our delicious recipes. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.